Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9923XX. Only 48,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Champagne silver metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, can even sync smartphones, Pandora or Stitcher radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, easy to operate heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 23 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.